Ciao, grazie. Hello, guys. So, welcome again to my kitchen. Today, we are going to make classic Roman style pizza dough. If you are looking for your restaurant, business, even you want to bake at home Roman style Italian pizza, so just watch this video and you will learn how to make Italian Roman style pizza dough. Which is therefore we need the ingredient 300 gram red flour, high protein. This is a Bonjvani red core. This is a very good flour. I have tried in restaurant, so I have the wonderful results. Basically, it tastes very good. And secondly, uh, it's a 00 flour, 00 flour, which contain the 12% of protein. So I'm gonna mix the both flour and we will continue the recipe. And 40 gram salt, 300 gram dry yeast, and the olive oil kind of 40 gram, and 910 ml cold water. So let's make the dough now. Just mix it for like few seconds. Yes, so the dough is ready. So our pizza dough is ready now. Let it for 15 minutes. Today is the Roman pizza dough is ready now. Let's make the dough ball. Wow. For Roman pizzas, I would prefer 140 gram for the thin crust. Rest it for 48 hours in cool temperature. So then we can bake the pizza. I'm gonna make Roman style pan pizza. Taleggio. So I will show you the same dough we can use for the both purpose. For pan pizza.